Hey guys, in this video I'll show you the creative strategies that gets us 8.1x return on ad spend and that made us $700,000 in sales in the last 30 days, and basically how you can structure the types of the creatives that you can utilize and basically where to source these creatives. I'll show you a few sources of these creatives that we utilize so you can take advantage of them as well, and basically how to structure this whole creative strategy for you, for your store, for your business, and whether you're advertising on Facebook or you're advertising on other platforms like Pinterest, how to take advantage of this and how to streamline the content production so it doesn't take a lot of your time, but still you constantly refreshing, constantly getting high ROAS on your spend and you scaling your business. So let's get started. It will be beneficial for people who already do great volume, like 100, 200, 500, 1 million per month, 2 million or more, and also for people who are just starting out and figuring things out as they go. So let's get started and I'll show you step by step how to do it, guys. Hey guys, so you can see these are the results we generated. So $87,000 in ad spend, and I'll try to refresh this now so you can see it's all real. And you can see here, so $87,000 in ad spend and 8.16 return on ad spend. So it is, as you can see, it generated $711,000 just in sales from Facebook directly. And the key to achieving that obviously was a good funnel and great product, but also the creative strategy. So I want to show you some of the main insights and the main frameworks for the ads that you can utilize to achieve similar numbers. So you can see here, I'm inside of the AdSpy, right? So we're using AdSpy a lot for our competitive research, and I want to show you some of the examples of the ads, some of the frameworks that we followed as well. I can see some people probably maybe emulated our ads, maybe some other ads, but they're following very similar frameworks. So this is one example of the ad, right? Which is pretty much utilizing, as you can see, some user-generated content. So the real person, right? And for example, shooting an ad like this wouldn't cost you a lot, right? So for example, you can order similar product from Amazon or even from China and have this video created even in-house, right? In your own house directly, which pretty much makes it very, as you can see, like this, right? Like this. So it is very simple. So when, a lot of the times I see that people overcomplicated the content production. Obviously, you can utilize professional production teams, and you can utilize services for example, viral e-com ads. So that's one of the services that we oftentimes utilize to basically structure the ads. So for example, for this specific account, we utilize their ads to scale probably 30 to 40% of the ad spend, and so their ads have been pretty good for us. So I recommend it if you want to get 20% discount with their services. There's a link below this video, but you can see here so it doesn't have to be that complicated, right? It doesn't have to be that complicated. This video can be done at home. It can be done with your family member if you have anyone, or even with just paying someone for $50, $100 to make a video like this. You just show them the example, right? So this is exactly how we produce a lot of the content. We have people that we work with on a consistent basis. So we're sending them the product. They're producing this type of very simple, but at the same time, great content. So for example, this product here, guys, it still does well. If you'll just check it out. So this product here, you can see brand new page. So this is brand new dropshipping. So 2.4 million views, guys, right? On a page and on the ad that's, can be created literally within 30 minutes, right? And obviously, then you just need editing, right? One of the things about creatives, guys, right? A lot of people, again, overcomplicate it. That's number one. And number two is, ideally, if you do decent numbers with your business, then you'll need to have streamlined content production, right? You'll need to have streamlined content production. What I mean by that, guys, is ideally you'd have your own video editor. You would have 1 to 3 video editors that would work like full-time on your project. It will help you produce a lot of content. It will help you make it like very streamlined. So for example, with this one ad, right? So this page, for example, they're not like extremely aggressive, but it's very weird here. It doesn't show here like where the people who are operating this page come from. But you can see like they have like 87 variations just from just of this like one ad, right, on different platforms, which is very like interesting, right? Like you can see here, so you can see, right, they don't have anything about like pain, right, like treat the pain or something like this, because Facebook doesn't like it, right? And that's very good. Like I do not recommend using those words in your ads. You can see take care of cervical vertebra and lumbar vertebra and driving and daily care. Very like weird description, but it seems to be working, right? So obviously their pricing is on the lower side, right? You can see here. I don't know. It's like, so you can see here. Let me see if that has anything, because a lot of people who would try to sell these like similar products, they would utilize words like pain, right? So you can see here like pains. They use it one time here, but they do not use it like a lot on this particular page. And so I'd not recommend using the word pain a lot, because this will just make it like more complex for Facebook, and also might get your ad account shut down eventually. So pain is the word that's not ideal to use in these pages. But you can see the product as well, and the type of creative that can be produced. So we produce a lot of this type of creative, and that's part of the reason like we've been able to scale to these numbers, as I showed you guys. So that's number one, right? Number two is this type of the creative, right? So this again found on AdSpy. I mean, this type of content and this type of product, you can see here, for example, it's created like June 2nd, right? Like just literally a few days ago. And you can see, so this is obviously more complex like content, right? But it's most likely sourced from like YouTube. I mean, this looks like it's somewhere like in China probably, right? So demonstration. So these type of ads, the viral e-com ads, guys, I mean, they can do these type of videos for you if you want to use their service. Is pretty much done for you. Get 20% off. There should be a link below this video. But also here we'll see. So this is big business, right? Like 40 people managing Hong Kong, Malaysia, right? So it's quite comprehensive, like setup here. And if we'll check all of their ads, guys, like, so they do not have like a lot of the ads, right? But for these ads that they have, let's see how many views. So I mean, like quite a lot of comments, right, and shares, right? So very good sign there. And you can see this particular page, they only advertise for 3 of these, but this type of content is more kind of like repurposed. Most likely they took it from somewhere, right? So this is typically where a lot of people just get stuck, right? They don't use the first type of content, which is pretty much taking the content and creating something of your own, like making the custom content for the product that you know for sure does well. So for example, you could validate the product with this type of content where you don't have to kind of create and invest time in creating something that you're not sure whether it will work out. But let's say you got some traction, and then you would just utilize more customized content to take further advantage with it. So this is another page. So a lot of the times this is very very like interesting tip, guys. Like if you have something that, if you have like these pages, let's say you search for like competitor or something, oftentimes here you would see the similar brands. For example, this one, let's see if this one advertises, and this is how oftentimes you would find great products as well. So let's see, yeah, this page is currently running ads. No ads here, right? Like, so, but oftentimes you would find, so this is something for you guys to explore. We found actually one very good product using like just randomly pretty much been exploring, and you can see this page card, yeah, right. So most likely this is also drop shipping, only one result, so it's not clear like how sophisticated this company is. Seems only one person, so but you can see kind of like how you can also explore the products and the pages, right? So that's the second way, right? And the third way, guys, is with this. So you would have, you can see again, these are the pages from China. So there are people in China managing this. So you get like, you typically see a lot of these, and this product has been, you can see it's gotten like so much traction just within the last like 2 weeks, right? And the page itself was created quite a long time ago. Probably it's being like so it's like very cute toy, quite inexpensive, right? You can see here. So very basic website and very basic structure. And so structure like this, right? Like demonstration videos. Again, guys, it's basically can be recorded from your own kind of like, from your own like devices, right? So for example, stuff like this, like demonstration, it doesn't show the faces, it doesn't show like who it is, it doesn't involve the people. It is the product demonstration video, right? And all you need for this would probably be just a phone like this. And this is all you would need to record like a video like this. And you can see like this one in particular has done quite well. So we'll see how many ads they are running now. And they are running a lot of ads, guys. So you can see here, like, so 8 ads for this product. It's been around for a long time now. This one here is just 4 ads here, but 1,000 ads just for this one. If we do like all, yeah, 1,000 plus, right? It's a lot, right? So they're running a lot of the ads, and just with this simple video product demonstration. So this is it, guys. These are the 3 formats for the videos that you can use. So one is pretty much repurposed content from from other people, from pages. Like that's what pretty much like every single person does. Second is utilizing the product demonstration, like you can see here in this video, where you would have the product demonstration. I mean, you don't have to show your face. You just show how to use the product. You don't need any like sophisticated setup. You can see the lighting here like is not perfect, right? There's shadows everywhere. It's not professional setup. I mean, anyone can record videos like this with a simple phone, right? And the third one is also custom created content, where you would send the product to people and have people actually on camera. If those are like attractive people, like that helps. For example, like attractive like ladies, like we've seen in the first one, that helps with engagement, that helps with kind of like increasing the view time, or even sending it to your family member or yourself and recording this type of video. So 3 types of videos. This is what we have used to scale, guys, to $700,000 per month. Obviously, again, like there's a good funnel, there's a good product that people want to buy, but also there's these elements, and creative is hyper important on Facebook advertising sites. So 3 types of creatives you can utilize, guys. Let me know how it goes. Start testing more creatives, start creating more content, testing kind of the different angles for the product. You can see it's very easy to do. If you more like advanced, if you do like $100,000 or more per month, I'd highly recommend hiring someone like in-house full-time video editor, 1, 2, 3 of those, like so you can consistently create new variations of the content for new products and consistently scale your business, guys. And if you're looking for personal help, scaling your business, there should be a link below so you can apply for. It's a free strategy session. We'll evaluate, basically break down your business, see if we can bring value. It's the best fit for people who already do 10, 20, 50, 100 plus $1,000 per month in sales and want to scale to the next level. We provide you with resources, ongoing help, but only applies to people who we can help. So this is it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Let me know what you think in the comments, and also like this video, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss other videos like this when I release them. And thank you very much, guys. I'll see you in the next one.